How to fix YouTube lag on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me guide you through the steps on how you can fix if your YouTube is lagging on Android. Well, first things first, you want to simply go ahead and here head into your settings, right? Once you're on the settings, scroll down below and head into apps. Under apps, you want to scroll down below and looking for YouTube. Once you're on YouTube, you want to head into storage and you want to clear the cache first. Once you clear the cache, you might as well clear data. However, this will remove your account that you're signed into and will remove any downloads as well. So make sure that you do. Here, then all you gotta do next is head into your Play Store or App Store and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Restart the device and open it up and you're good to go. The lag should be fixed. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.